Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Clickbank to PayPal. But before anything else, I just want to tell you that Clickbank does not directly support PayPal as payout method. Clickbank primarily pays through direct deposit, wire transfer, paper check, Payoneer, PayPal alternative that can be linked to your PayPal. So if you want to get your Clickbank money into your PayPal, you need to use Payoneer as bridge. First, you need to create a Payoneer account. Go to payoneer.com, sign up for free, complete identity verification, get your US, Euro, receiving account details. Payoneer gives you virtual bank account. So step 2, you need to link Payoneer to Clickbank. You need to log into your Clickbank. Here is the step. Go to account settings, payment information, choose direct deposit, international or wire transfer. Enter your Payoneer virtual bank account details such as the bank name, account number, routing number or SWIFT code, and then save changes to confirm. And that is for step 2. So you have to link your Payoneer to your Clickbank. Now, step 3, you need to set your payment and threshold Clickbank. Clickbank only pays when you reach a minimum threshold of 10, 100, etc. Set it in account settings, payment threshold. So step 4, you need to wait for a payment cycle like Clickbank pays only weekly or bi-weekly basis. Depends on your earnings, refund, check or chargeback rate, account age. So after that, once you have linked your Clickbank to your Payoneer, once the money lands in Payoneer, go to Payoneer dashboard, click withdraw to bank account, or link your Payoneer card to PayPal as funding source. Send money from Payoneer to your linked PayPal account if supported in your country. PayPal may not allow incoming funds from Payoneer in all countries. In that case, use Payoneer directly or transfer to your local bank. So basically, this is just a way on how to withdraw money from Clickbank to PayPal. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.